All right, this is one of my favorites. Fear of the market. Well, this is where it comes to your mind once again. For example, we could talk about having massive drawdown. So if you're having massive drawdown, you want to have that, that killer instinct, that you actually are self-talking yourself to the charts. You gotta have that right mentality that, what, even though I am in drawdown, I know where this overall trend is going. If I be patient and trust my own analysis, you could overcome that fear. And once you overcome that fear, you see where it's showing that's red on your MetaTrader 4. Then 2 hours later, you're back in the blue and you're in the game. So when you have that fear that's eliminated, it's the best feeling because you trusted on your own process. You don't want to be scared of having candles come back down because what's the most funniest thing is that it goes in 3 directions. It goes up, down, consolidates, meaning going sideways. So you have options of where the market's going. It's not going to keep coming down further and further and further and further. It has to go up. Whatever comes down has to go up. Whatever goes up got to come down or sideways. But the way how to overcome that fear is that you really got to trust your analysis, trust the process, and once you do that, you're going to be an absolute savage on the charts.